Ready to skyrocket your Shopify sales with Google Shopping? Let's dive into seamlessly connecting your products to Google Merchant Center. First, from your Shopify admin, navigate to Sales Channels by clicking the plus button to add a new sales channel and then scroll or search for the Google Sales Channel. Click on it and install the Google and YouTube app to get started. This will bridge the gap between your Shopify store and Google. Now, within the app, connect your Google account that's associated with your Google Merchant Center. If you do not have a Google Merchant Center account, you will be prompted to create one. Next, confirm your business information. Select your target country where you're selling and configure your shipping settings. It's important that your shipping settings are accurate. Click confirm when finished. Ensure your products are set to sync automatically. This keeps your product information up to date on Google Shopping. You also have the option to manually select which products to sync. Head over to Google Merchant Center and check the Diagnostics tab. Here you'll find any errors or warnings related to your product data. Address these promptly for optimal visibility. Optimize your product data by using high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and relevant keywords in your titles. This helps Google understand and showcase your products effectively. Pro tip: in your Shopify product page SEO settings, use relevant keywords to show up in search results. Add a good product description in the description field to clearly and accurately define the product. And that's it. With these steps, your Shopify products will be properly listed on Google Shopping, helping you reach a wider audience and boost sales.